Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you 8 wonders of Vietnam that will make you fall in love with this beautiful country. From stunning natural landscapes to fascinating historical sites, Vietnam has it all. So sit back, relax, and get ready to explore the beauty of Vietnam with us. Number 8. Nha Trang Beach. First up is the stunning Nha Trang Beach, located in the coastal city of Nha Trang in Vietnam, Central Highlands. This beach is known for its crystal clear waters, white sandy shores, and is considered one of the most beautiful beaches in all of Asia. Visitors can enjoy swimming, sunbathing, or simply relaxing on the beach while taking in the breathtaking views of the South China Sea. But that's not all. Nha Trang Beach also offers a variety of water sports activities such as scuba diving, snorkeling, and windsurfing. The surrounding area is home to a number of restaurants, bars, and cafes serving delicious local cuisine and refreshing beverages. Nha Trang Beach is truly a must-visit destination for anyone traveling to Vietnam. Number 7. Phu Luong Nature Reserve. Next up is the breathtaking Phu Luong Nature Reserve, located in the northwest of Vietnam. This vast protected area spans over 1,500 square kilometers and is home to a diverse range of flora and fauna, including over 600 species of plants and 200 species of animals. Visitors to Phu Luong can explore its stunning limestone formations, cascading waterfalls, and lush green rice terraces. The best time to visit is during the spring or autumn, when the weather is mild and the landscape is covered in vibrant green or golden hues, respectively. Trekking and camping are popular activities in the reserve, and guided tours are available for those who want to learn more about the area's rich biodiversity and cultural heritage. Do not forget to keep an eye out for the endangered species that call Phu Luong home, including the silver-cheeked langur and the giant ibis. Number 6. Hoi, an ancient town. Our journey takes us now to the well-preserved Hoi, an ancient town located in the central coast of Vietnam. This charming town dates back to the 4th century and was once a major trading port for Chinese, Portuguese, and Dutch merchants. Today, visitors can explore its well-paved streets lined with colorful houses, traditional handicraft shops, and tailor stores. Hoi, an ancient town, is also home to several historic temples, pagodas, and the iconic Japanese covered bridge. The town's unique blend of Vietnamese, Chinese, and European architecture makes it a popular destination for photographers and those looking to experience Vietnam's rich history and culture. And don't forget to check out the nearby beaches such An Bang and Cua Dai for a perfect day trip, combining relaxation and cultural exploration. No. 5. Phong Na Cave. Now, let's head to the Phong Na Cave, located in the central province of Quang Binh, Vietnam. This awe-inspiring cave is part of the UNESCO World Heritage Site known as the Phong Na Ka Bang National Park and is considered one of the largest and most impressive caves in the world. Explorers first discovered this cavern in 1991, and since then it has become a popular tourist destination. Visitors can take a boat ride through the cave's vast chambers and marvel at its stunning stalactite and stalagmite formations, which have taken thousands of years to form. The cave's interior is adorned with colorful lighting that enhances its natural beauty and creates a magical atmosphere. But that's not all. Phong Na Cave is also home to a variety of bats and other wildlife. For a truly unforgettable experience, plan your visit around the Phong Na Cave Festival, held annually in March or April, which features traditional music, dance, and theatrical performances that showcase the cultural heritage of the region. Number 4. Sapa Rice Terraces. Our next stop is the picturesque Sapa Rice Terraces located in the mountainous northwest of Vietnam. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a series of cascading rice paddies that have been carved into the hillside by the Hmong people using traditional methods passed down for generations. The terraces are particularly stunning during the rice harvest season, from September to October, when the fields turn a golden color. Visitors to Sapa can explore the terraces on foot and learn about the local culture and way of life. Trekking tours are also available, allowing visitors to immerse themselves in the natural beauty of the surrounding mountains and forests. The cool climate and stunning scenery make Sapa Rice Terraces a popular destination for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. So don't forget to pack your hiking boots and camera for this unforgettable experience. Number 3. Ha Long Bay. No trip to Vietnam would be complete without a visit to the world-famous Ha Long Bay. Located in the northeast of the country, Ha Long Bay is a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its emerald green waters and thousands of limestone islands that seem to rise out of the sea. Visitors can explore the bay by taking a cruise and kayaking through its many caves and grottos. One of the most popular spots is Sung Sot Cave, which features impressive stalactite and stalagmite formations. Ha Long Bay is also home to a variety of marine creatures, including dolphins and a multitude of fish species. You might even spot some monkeys playing around the rocks. If you're feeling adventurous, you can go scuba diving or snorkeling to explore the bay's underwater world. But if you prefer to stay above the water, you can simply relax on a junk boat and soak up the stunning views. No matter how you choose to experience Ha Long Bay, it's sure to be a trip you'll never forget. No. 2. Hue Imperial City. Next up is the Hue Imperial City, located in the central city of Hue. This historic site was the capital of Vietnam during the Nguyen dynasty. From 1802 to 1945, visitors can explore the city's impressive citadel, which was designed to resemble a giant turtle with its 4 outer walls representing the 4 legs and 2 inner citadels representing the head and tail. The complex includes a number of palaces, temples, and tombs, each showcasing the unique architecture and craftsmanship of the time period. One of the most notable structures is the Tai Ho Palace, which served as the main residence for the imperial family. Another must-see attraction is the Forbidden Purple City, which was once off-limits to commoners, but is now open to the public. For those interested in history and culture, a visit to Huc Imperial City is a must. Number 1. Phansipin Mountain. Last, but certainly not least, is the majestic Phansipin Mountain, located in the Hong Lin Sun Mountain Range in northern Vietnam. At an elevation of 3,143 meters. Phansipin is the highest peak in the region and is known locally as the Roof of Indochina. Trekking to the summit is a challenging but rewarding experience that takes about 3 days and offers stunning views of the surrounding mountains and valleys. Once at the top, you'll feel like you're on top of the world. If you're feeling brave, you can even try skiing or snowboarding down the mountain slopes. During the winter months, Phansipin Mountain is also home to a number of rare plant and animal species, making it a popular destination for biologists and nature lovers. So, if you're looking for an adventure, be sure to add Phansipin Mountain to your list of must-visit destinations in Vietnam. That concludes our tour of the 8 wonders of Vietnam. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Let us know in the comments below which place caught your eye, and do not forget to subscribe for more travel videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.